Welcome to DONEBRO. In this video, we will learn how to manage your orders and the store on the DONEBRO platform. To do that, you can find the link in description for your vendor panel, and this is on the web right now we are doing. So we can sign in using the store owner ID or as a store employee ID. So we will do it with the store owner ID. So to log in, you will have to enter your login ID. So let me enter my login ID and I'll enter my password. It's very simple. You can click on remember me so that you don't have to keep logging. Make sure you click on I am not a robot. And sometime it might ask you to verify that you are not a robot. That is for a security purpose, but usually doesn't. And then you need to simply click on sign in. And as soon as you sign in, you find your dashboard and it gives you an overall information of your entire business. What is your confirmed order? What is number of processing order ready for delivery orders and items on the way, which is supposed to go to the customers. And these are the total numbers what is happened, total delivered, if there is any refunding, and if there is any scheduled orders and total orders. And at the bottom you will find your total earning. What is the earning that you have made, what is the commission that you have been given to the DONEBRO platform. But again, this number are just a test account, so your numbers would be much more higher, 20, 30,000, maybe could be a lakhs and crores. So that's really great, wonderful platform that we have on DONEBRO right now. And it gives you a total or graphical representation of your yearly data. And at the down you can find out what is your top selling product. Yes, the top selling items, you will find it here. It will list out all the top selling product and most rated items. Basically the customers are rating each items or each product, so based on that you will find that details here. Now on the left hand section, you have all your menus to manage. So we will go one by one. Right now we are on a dashboard, and next comes to your orders. And when you go to the orders, it shows you pending or takeaway orders, then confirmed orders and processing orders and so on. You can just simply click on based on the numbers. See, for example, if it is 19 delivered, it will show you 19. If anything is confirmed or the processing, you can simply click it on that. Right now, if you click it on all, it will show me the entire all the orders here. And you can see all the details over here. All the orders details are here. Okay, and if you click on a view, it will show you all the details here on the view page, like what is happened, where's the customer, and all the details of basically of your order. And in the another video, I'll talk to you about how you can receive the orders. That will be on a live session, like how we will receive in the order. It's gonna be very simple. It's just the additional point button you will have to make the changes status. So next come to the add-on section, your item management basically, and then under the item you can add your items, your products, and under the category you can find what are all the categories that we have. So now whenever you're adding an item, you're creating an menu, make sure you first click on add-on item so that you can add all the item, all the add-ons, and while you're adding your product, you can just link it. So basically you can mention your product name, for example, sauce, and you can give the price as 34 rupees and just simply click on submit, and this will come under your add-on product. So each and every product, when you update, you can find this add-on to match up or link it with that. Now coming on to your items. So over here, if you click on a list, you will find all the items that is been listed right now. We have just on the biryani, I'm sure, but you will have 40, 50, 60 options there. Okay, and now to add an item, it's simply that you need to click on add new and mention your item name, that is paratha, and give a short description like to paratha or what is it made of. You can just write on your description and mention your price. For example, it is 145 and you wanted to give them a 15% of discount. Mention that 15%, then you can select a percentage or amount, or if you wanted to give a flat discount of rupees 15, you can select on amount or percentage ways. It will calculate the overall price based on 45 and it will minus the 15% and show the price automatically. And then you can select whether it's a veg or non-veg, and then select the category. When if you are in paratha, so I'll just type paratha pa and I find it. And what kind of paratha is it, that also you can add it. For example, coconut, gobi, methi, and everywhere all the dishes or the categories will find certain items, so you can link it so that user finds very easy and you get more potential to get your items in front of the user and increase your sales. If you want the add-on I've said add-on you can add in. And then attribute will be soon available for portions and spiciness and all, so we'll be soon adding so that you can add your attributions also. And then the timing of what time to what time you wanted your food to be available. For me it's like 11 a.m, so I'll just punch in the timing 11 a.m to I'll be selling until the 6 p.m. It's again purely based on you, what are the timing that you are selling the item you wanted the people to place the order. So I'll just mention 11 a.m to 6 p.m. So this is the only time this particular product will show up on my shop, no matter the other products are available or maybe could be different timing. Now comes to a good thumbnail, which is 1:1 size of which is a square size of. I'll just click on this and a picture will be added up here. Imagine the chole bhature and the parota, but you guys make sure that you add the very nice attractive picture so that it appeals the users and start ordering, and simply click on submit. And as soon as you do, the product gets added successfully. This is the confirmation that you will receive. So here we have. And now if you want to do anything with the bulk, you can do it under the bulk import section, bulk export section. You can do it on a bulk wise. So all you have, everything you have. And next, coming on to the categories, this is the category admin maintained. So these are all the category of food that right now we have listed, and we are continuously every day adding more and more category. And anything that you have additional category that you see that is missing and you want us to add up, you can simply contact our customer support. You can email us support@donebro.in, or you can talk to your area vendor manager, and anybody you inform, we will add those category. And same likewise as the subcategory, there are certain lot of subcategories already added, but if you want us to add more, you can let us know and we will add them. And next, coming on to the campaign, this is in a really interesting section. Now, when you see a campaign, these are the campaigns run by the Donebro, uh, and then you can join on this the campaigns. So let me tell you how it works. So when you go to a user app, they'll have a banners, usually, okay, 10% discount, 50% discount. So all these banners will be appear. And now if you want your shop to appear under that particular banner, you can simply click on join. Now it says your match has been food. So this is some kind of attraction that is we continuously keep changing, posting on for our users so that they are much attracted. So you can simply click on join. Now anybody goes on to this particular banner on the mobile app and clicks, your restaurant will also be listed out. And now, for example, see, if you are selling pizza and you wanted to offer 35% off, so make sure you change your pricing to show as 35% off, or you can provide your discount, and then simply come here and join. So now anybody clicking on this particular banner, your shop will show under them as a discount. And since you have set already discount, so it will show the discounted detail and you get more visibility. Likewise, these campaigns keeps changing, new keeps adding at the new based on a timings. So particular timing based, it will appear on your shop. And so you can join as many as, but make sure that if you're joining any of the off one, you need to get your products listed as off also. And next, coming on to your store configuration. When you come to your store configuration, it's very simple. You can click on what kind of orders you want to receive or not. Schedule orders, delivery, takeaway, non-veg, veg. And then you can simply add on your timing from what time to what time you are serving. Right now, see, he's serving at 1 a.m. to 11:55 p.m. But then you can add on additional timing also, extra timing. For example, you wanted to serve from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. you can set that timing. And additionally, if you want to serve again at the night time, so that also you can do it on a day wise every day. And a place where you have do not mention anything, simply click on X, so that day will be holiday and your store will show as closed. And now you can add your minimum order amount, which is of 100 or 50 or whatever you decide the minimum order amount, the approximate delivery time. And if you want to show your GST number, you can simply click on here, the dialog box on, and mention your GST number, and the bill will show your GST number printed on the bill. That's it. And once you're done, click on update and it will get updated. And same thing you can also access from here bottom. It says store settings. The same page can also be accessed. And now coming on to the left side, you have your my store option. Coming on to the my store option, it will give you an overview of what is the admin commission that you are paying, what is the tax that you are charging. Okay, and all this detail. that you can, couple of details you can edit it here. And for major changes, you would contact the admin manager. And then coming down, you also have another option called bank information. You need to add your bank data, your bank name, your bank branch, your account number. And at the branch name, either you can mention your branch name or IFSC code directly, so that your all your payments can be transferred to this particular bank. And then coming to your my wallet section, this is the earning that will show up, the total earnings. See, this is your withdrawal total earning. And now you can see what is your pending withdrawal, what is your total earning, what is the cash collected. This is basically based on if there is a takeaway and customer comes and visit your outlet and they picks up that order and they pay you in a cash. So that is the cash amount will show up here. And to withdraw any amount, for example, I have 395, you can withdraw at any time. Now see, I'll have to add a bank account. So once I have the bank account, I will be able to do that. So when you add a bank account, you simply have to click on request withdrawal, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click on submit, and within 48 hours the amount will be credited to your bank account. Coming to your review tab, this is the most important. You need to pay attention because all your foods are being reviewed here, and a good or bad review or rating has been provided, like 4 or 5, and the timing, so that you can check the review and improve your service product. And now coming to your employee role section, basically you can add employees here and you can create them an access that on the web page. Basically, if your employee has to have access only with the items or only to manage orders, or basically bank data changes or wallet or campaign section. So usually we suggest that you can provide your employee access with the orders add-on, so that they can add the add-ins whenever necessary. Then campaigns, so that they can get into the campaigns and check with the review, or you can also exit the review and you being an owner can check. So whenever they log in on this web page, web panel, they will be able to sign in using their employee ID, the employee login ID, which is here. You can add your employee login ID and you can create them login ID, and they can just simply log in and attend the orders. Right now, this functionality works only on the web panel, and we are also looking into the working on this on the mobile application, and very soon we should have that. So that is it. I'm sure this video seems to be very easy and simple to understand and manage your business at DONEBRO. If you haven't registered yet, so check out our website or get into the description. You will find all the links to register, and registration take just few seconds. So get your restaurant or onboard your restaurant or cloud kitchen, your dark kitchen, anything on the DONEBRO platform, and start earning.